Here's a pair of Beat Studio Pro headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect directly to an iPhone via Bluetooth, okay? I'm going to show you two ways to do it, okay? So the first way is go ahead and log in to your iPhone first. Now, the one side where you have the power button, there's only one button on here, that little power button. The headphones are off. Let me turn these on. I'm going to press and hold this button for 2 seconds and just wait for the lights come on, all right? Now, it's in pairing mode, okay? And usually when you do this and you're logged in, you get this window that pops up just saying if you want to connect to your Beat Studio Pro. If that pops up, just tap on connect, okay? Then once you tap on connect, it'll show you the battery percentage and it'll automatically be connected, okay? If that window doesn't pop up like it didn't for me, then it's no biggie. Just make sure it's in pairing mode. It's blinking white on all the lights there. It's in pairing mode. Just simply go to your settings. Go to Bluetooth. Of course, make sure the Bluetooth is on. And we're in pairing mode, so now just go all the way down the bottom of your phone under other devices. Everything that's in pairing mode is down here. And there's the Beat Studio Pro right there. So now I can just tap on that. And now it's going to be connected. As you can see, Beat Studio Pro is connected. Okay, same thing when the window pops up here and you tap on connect. You can always go to the Bluetooth here, and you can see where it's connected right there. And you can tap on that eye right there, and you can change the noise cancellation or whatnot on here as well. And you can read through the other settings down here too. So pretty simple. Any questions or issues, just comment below. All right, good luck.